Then watch what I'm going now.
It's a fair start and won't waste no time. Seizes the lead.
Yo, I'm on the 5th year already.
Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
Damn, need a haircut, man. What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. And since you're here right now, just share this video for me and help me grow the channel. Yo, this is gonna have you cracking. So, enjoy.
Much motivation does
Yo,
he have?
every Jamaican supposed to remember the race. When Bolt broke the 200 meter world record. Yo, the man just demolished the whole field. Watch man. Yo, the man no serious a theme, you know. The man does a represent. You understand? He could have not even run the race and still win the race. Yo, look how the brother look nervous. Man like he want to pull up himself. I wonder if a last man come or a second him or try to run to get second. You see me? Because everybody out there right now, you know, they might think you know, try to come second or third or last. Because they don't know serious. Last for them already, no, because this man right here win it already. You see me? I said, look how man confident. The man no serious is for him to win, not to lose. Be a Yaman dashing pack up in a back. You see me? I say, they can't beat me. That's the man say, no? Them cannot beat me. Yes. Munga and a rebel. Man ready to take them on. Left them in the back seat. You see me? I say? Yo, if confident was a person, that's him right there. Man say, yeah, take off like a bird. No, take off like a plane. The man does no serious of him. Alright, see it now, watch what I'm going now.
It's a fair start and won't waste no time. Seizes the lead.
Yo, the man a 5th year already. Man a 10 gear. Man chipping at 20 gear. Yo, the man knows them broke your record now. Yo, the man demolished the whole field. Like I teach him out the whole run. Yo. Yeah man, dashing and dumping, pack up in a back. You see me I say? Yo, to the man fast, they can measure speed or rename the measurement of speed. Volt. You see me I say, just like how they have horsepower to measure airplane power and car power and donkey power and all them things there. Them can use the measurement of, rename the measurement of speed to volt. So alright then, if something fast then say alright, a 10 volt speed or 1000 volt speed. You see me I say? The man faster than car and bike, bro. My brother done say it already. You see me I say? Yo, I swear, this race was a race as a Jamaican road. Yeah man, you have to go back and watch it, man. The man chipping a 20 gear within 2 seconds. Go on, let it feel. Do it, youth. Alright, my peeps. I know I went a little crazy commentating on that one, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. Just give this video the thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, help me grow the channel, and subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell, and until next time, stay safe.
Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice.